Sky High Homes.
Thanks for coming.
There was a problem with your sink, right?
Yes, come on in.
Alright, let's take a look. It is a bit rusty down there. It's a good thing you gave me a call.
Yeah, it's easy to neglect.
This is true.
Speaking of neglected things around the house, I know this is why you're here for the sink, but can I show you a few other things I need help with?
Yeah, that's fine.
You see, the window's been getting stuck a lot here at home. Could you replace the sash for me?
Yes, sir, I could.
The entertainment center's kind of old. Would you be able to build a new one if I gave you the materials?
Of course, I'd be happy to.
As you can see, the door trim's pretty messed up.
Yep.
Could we get a new door on these hinges?
Yeah, that wouldn't be a problem at all.
The toilet's been running a lot lately and it's making kind of a whistling noise.
Okay.
Do you have any ideas of what that might be?
Yeah, it's usually the hardware in the back of the tank.
Gotcha. Can you fix that?
Of course, I'd be happy to.
If you can see in there too, the bathtub has been clogged lately.
Okay.
Any chance you could do something about that?
I sure could.
Well, thanks for taking a look. I appreciate it. I mean, there's a number of other things I can think of that could probably use some work, but that might be a question for another day.
Okay, what kind of things though?
Well, this light fixture up here, we'd like that to be a light and a fan.
Okay, we can do that for you.
Oh, really? Okay. What about painting these walls blue?
Yeah, we certainly can.
Okay. What about drywall and insulation? Because we got a couple rough patches.
That's alright, we work on that too.
Okay. The patio outside, and the deck and all that kind of fun stuff. Could use some love.
Okay, we can do that as well.
Wow, alright. Can you juggle 10 flaming swords while riding a unicycle over a tightrope over a pool of hungry sharks?
As much as I wish I could do that, that might just be too much for us.
Gotcha. But you can do everything else.
Yes, sir, we can.
Well, perfect. You're hired. Thank you.
Not a problem, thank you.
Well, thanks again for coming, taking a look at everything.
Not a problem, and I'll see you on the 19th.
Sounds good. Have a good day.
Have a good one.